So we've got some Hungarian Hot Wax straight from the garden now. Both a little bit older and one younger, I don't know. Smaller, larger. Different colors a little bit. I don't know what the difference in the heat is. But on a Scoville scale, these guys can range from between 1 and 7,000 on the Scoville scale. So I don't really know what to expect. Like which one do we try first?
This one.
Okay. I don't know, I think it's pretty hot.
Mm.
I was expecting less heat for that because of where it is on the scale.
Maybe it's 10,000 then.
And that one was definitely more than it said. Here's another one. I don't know. Was it older?
I don't know.
Woo! It's still burning a bit. But that first one was really juicy, and that's probably why it burned so bad.
Yeah. This one is thinner. I don't know.
That one's not near as hot. Weird. Like this one was mild.
Yeah. This one had nothing.
Oh, and maybe because we ate a hot one first.
Because I ate the first one here and the second one there. And it's burning here but not there at all.
Yeah, the second one was very mild.
They probably can be. Maybe this one was 1,000.
Yeah.
And probably the same as we have a couple plants.
So one plant was really hot.
And I don't know if one plant can have a hot pepper and a less hot one.
Yeah, I don't know if the same plant, like if it varies on the same plant or if it varies between different plants.
But I'm pretty sure those two were from a different plant.
Yeah, I think they were.
Well, one was like 1,000 and the other was like 10,000.
Yeah, for sure. So that was kind of interesting.
Maybe even more than 10,000.
Yeah, that was that was probably, I don't know, half the heat of the prairie fire. Maybe. I don't remember what the prairie fire is, but
Like 70.
oh, okay. Well, either way, it was.
It could have been 15. That's like the max.
It was super hot. Like when I was expecting it to be up to 7,000, I was like, "Whoa, this is hot."
So I think this one will be hot even more.
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
We'll do that after. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see the next one.